All right, so in today's video, we're going to be running through a year-to-date sales exec report. Now, the primary goal of this report is just to track how well a sales rep is doing versus budget for this financial year. Now, the good thing about this report and the cool functionality that Power BI has is that we're able to pre-filter the data to only show what's relevant to the actual sales rep who's viewing it. So, for example, in this case, we've got John made-up name, and this is only showing his sales information for this financial year so far. Let's just say let's say John Smith came in and wanted to look at his report. As soon as he clicked on the report, it would automatically filter to show his data, and he's not going to be seeing anything that's not relevant to him. So it's pretty simple. Up the top, we've got our financial year sales trend. So in the green, we've got our budget. In the orange, we've got our actual sales. And then the light blue shade at the back is our prior year month sales. So say if we wanted to look at July 2024, we can see that the orange line is our July 2024 sales, the green line's July 2024 budget, and then the light blue is our July 2023 sales. Then similarly below, we've got our gross profit trend. So you can see that we've set our KPI as 35%, and we seem to be trending quite nicely for this financial year so far. But still a bit down on the previous financial year. The table below it just gives us a snapshot of the month that we're in and how we're progressing versus budget. So you can see John made-up name hasn't actually got any revenue for this month so far. However, he should be at around 92K if he wants to eventually hit his budget target for the month of 968K. Then below it, we've got a year-to-date. So we're saying that, okay, John's year-to-date revenue is 2.45 million. He should be at around 6 million, and so he's at about 41%. And this is his total budget for the financial year. Then we've also got just a little snapshot of his activities. So his completed face-to-face activities that have been logged in Odoo, and then also the other completed activities that he's logged.